Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our July challenge is to use red, white, blue, and gray, stars and stripes, the word adventure, flowers, trees, succulents, wheels, suitcase, because when we think of July, we think of 4th of July, traveling, camping, gardening, going to the beach. All right, I am going to show you the products I am using from my July kit for layout number 1. So we have Close to My Heart Thin Cuts Stitch Square Frames. That's Z4259. Next, from Close to My Heart, I am going to show you this stamp set called Perfectly Imperfect Patterns. That is D2051. And yes, I am a Close to My Heart maker. So if you like any of the products that I am showing you, come over and shop with me. I will have the link listed below. The memory I am documenting is this photograph of my husband taken last summer, us floating down the New River. Now I have a homemade tag that I'm going to do some mixed media on. And I have 3 12 by 12 pattern papers. The first 2 are from Paige Evans' collection, and the last one is from Amy Tan. Then I have a 12 by 12 daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart. Next, I am briefly going to show you all the miscellaneous embellishments that I put together for my kit. And I will select from this little packet of embellishments when embellishing my layout. Next, I'm going to show you the inks that I am using to create my tags. I have selected Avocado, Blue Bell from Close to My Heart. They're the exclusive ink pad. They match perfectly with that Paige Evans flowered pattern paper. Then from the Dana Wakley gloss spray, I have Lime and Ocean. My flower pattern paper from Paige Evans, I trimmed that down 7 by 12. Then off camera, I used my Close to My Heart die cut machine and the stitch squared frames and cut out 3 of those frames, which you'll see me layer them up next to my photograph in a minute. Now I am going to add adhesive to the back of that beautiful flower pattern paper from a Paige Evans collection, and I secure that 2.5 inches from the bottom up, so it's not perfectly centered on my 12 by 12 daisy white cardstock. Next, I'll flip over my Close to My Heart Versa mat to do my stamping on my tag because it has a little bit of a foamy cushion to the back, which helps give a crisper image when you're stamping. So I start out with the first stamped image to the right side of the Perfectly Imperfect Patterns, and I start with using Avocado, and I do 2nd and 3rd generation stamping around the whole perimeter of that tag. Then I will come back with the other stamped image that is 2nd to the left in that kind of middle row. You're going to see me grab it right there, and I will use Blue Bell exclusive ink from Close to My Heart, and I layer on top of the avocado and go a little bit further in the center. Then I'm going to go back to the avocado. I'm going to squeeze the ink pad together. I'm going to moisten it with some water and then use my little round sponge dauber, which we also sell at Close to My Heart. And I am going to blend in the center. Then I'm going to come back with Shortbread exclusive ink from Close to My Heart. And I'm going to use one of the little tiny stamps in the set that has little dots in it. And I am going to stamp that all around the perimeter from the edge working in, if that makes sense. And then the final step is to take the Blue Bell exclusive ink again and ink the entire edge of that tag. And then I will be done creating the tag. It turns out fabulous. Just wait and see. I'm a little bit ahead of myself, so I want to remind you that I will have Becky and Kathy's link to their channel listed below so that you can go see what they created using their homemade July kit that they put together from their scrappy supply. So there's the finished tag. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to layer my photograph on top of that. I'm going to bring in my squares that I die cutted out from close to my heart called stitch square frames, and I layer them up right there, but I do switch the top and the middle layer. You'll see that in a minute. Now I am using Maggie Holmes chipboard pieces from the Sunny Days collection, and for my title I am using the chipboard that says Fun plus Sun, and I will also use a camera from that chipboard collection. Then I will get out the Echo Park puffy stickers from the Summertime collection. And I know I'm jumping a little bit ahead of myself. Oh, that's right. See, I'm jumping too far ahead of myself. I forgot I remove my title to add my splatters using the Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in lime. I apply that first in the upper left-hand corner and the lower right-hand corner. And then I add just a little bit of the medium gloss spray in Ocean. I want the lime to be my primary punch. Now here I add that black camera. And the reason it's black and kind of an off-white camera because it goes with that title, and I have two locations of that color going diagonally across my layout. 75% of my layouts, I follow the rules of odds when it comes to my clusters. Then there's 25% of the time I only have two different areas of clusters, and that's because I'm either doing a diagonal, vertical, or straight horizontal. All right, now back to my layout. I just added this cute pineapple with sunglasses from the Echo Park puffy stickers from the Summertime collection, and then three little puffy dots. And then in the lower right-hand corner, I will end up removing that butterfly and adding three puffy circle elements from the Echo Park Summertime Puffy Sticker Collection, along with two phrases. The first one is this oblong that you see me securing now that says, "Remember to enjoy those summer days." And then above it is that aqua with black print that says "Summertime." And then this layout will be complete. Be sure to follow Kathy and Becky's channel that's listed below in the description box. Go check out our Facebook group site, which is listed in the description box below. Give us a thumbs up. Keep coming back, and most of all, get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. We'll see you next time. Bye.